journalist and author. They are the children of Albert Pure and Esther Safran Pure. Albert Pure is a lawyer and a former president of American Antitrust Institute, and Esther Safran Pure is a writer and Holocaust survivor advocate. She wrote the memoir, I Want You to Know We're Still Here. His family has a strong literary and intellectual background which influenced his writing career. Jonathan grew up in Washington, D.C., USA and studied at Princeton University, where he graduated in 1999. While at the Princeton, he was mentored by the famous writer Joyce Carol Oates, who encouraged his writing. His senior thesis later became the basis for his first novel, Everything is Illuminated. Jonathan was married to Nicole Cross, a well-known American novelist, in 2004. However, they separated in 2014 after nearly 10 years of marriage. Jonathan Safran Pure and Nicole Cross have 2 children.
Anak ko lagi sila.
Walang pansigyan. Jonathan Safran Pure became famous after publishing his first novel, Everything is Illuminated, in 2002. The book received critical acclaim and won several awards, including the Guardian First Book Award and National Jewish Book Award. Some of Jonathan's books were adapted into films like Everything is Illuminated 2005, directed by Liv Schreiber, starring Elijah Wood as Jonathan Safran Pure. The story is about a young man, American, who travels to Ukraine to find a woman who saved his grandfather from Nazis during World War II. Ang gipili ko ni sa ma'am hay pag-scroll ko sing PDF, nakita ko iyang ngalan, tas do interested ko sing iyang mga works. Tapos gintanto ko ang Everything is Illuminated kagang isaya kapag ito-work. Namian ko sing Everything is Illuminated ay namian ko yung attitude niya gakip sa sing mga things ka family ya. Kung din sa magkato nagapangwa sa sing isa ka bagay ka ginasulod sa plastic.